Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and it's El Dragos here and we're back with some hits. During my title you know what we are reacting to. The time I got reincarnated as a slime opening season 1 opening. So basically if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like the video at the ending of the reaction and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that if you do. Thanks. I also watched the episodes of the time I got reincarnated as a slime season 1. Thanks. Signing in. Oh, mate. What the hell? This is actually fire. Yeah, this is so good. Oh, sure. Oh, nah, his stance is bad. Okay, this is actually fire. Oh, Gupta. The Demon Lords. Oh, this guy, bro. He's so fast. And this man too. She has strength. Sure. Ooh. These are gonna be crazy fights. Whoa. This is crazy. Wow. Alright. Basically guys, that's the ending of the opening 1 reaction. If you like this reaction, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that if you do. And also watch the season 1 of The Time I Got Reincarnated in my YouTube channel. I already posted some episodes. Make sure you please watch it. Thanks. I really appreciate it a lot. Signing out.